Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Please introduce yourself.
I am Myla Roxanne Cordova, 32 years old, from Bacolod City. I'm living in with my partner for 14 years and we have two children, all boys, ages 14 years old and 11 years old. I am a college undergraduate. I have 4 siblings, 3 brothers and 1 sister.
Please describe yourself.
I am hardworking, honest, responsible person and trustworthy.
When you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My mother will be the one to take care of my children.
Please tell me about your work experience.
I am a first-time applicant and domestic, but I have 2 years experience as a local helper. I serve 3 members of the family, 1 couple and 1 child aged 6 years old from 2020 to 2022. I took cleaning, washing, ironing, laundry, and also taking care of the child while my employer is not around.
Why do you want to come in Hong Kong?
I want to come in Hong Kong because I want to earn more money for the future education of my children and also for the needs of my family.
How long do you want to work to Hong Kong?
I will finish my contract, and if my employer wants me to stay, I will stay.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Johnny, Johnny, yes papa, eating sugar, no papa, telling lies, no papa, open your mouth, ha ha ha.
What is your message to your future employer?
Dear Mom and Sir, I hope you choose me as your helper. I am hardworking, honest, responsible person, and trustworthy. I promise to serve your family as my own. I will finish my contract, and as long as you need me, I will stay. Thank you.
Thank you.